Hello. Now, I'd like to show you how to install WordPress from within the StackCP control panel. This is how the StackCP control panel looks like. And the first tab is just about the CDN and stuff. The second is the web files. Here you can be able to do what? Add the email accounts and stuff. Then there are the web tools like the MySQL database. If you want to change the PHP version, you can do it from here. For the domain names, this is where you manage the domain names that you have both with us, and then the security, this is where you install the SSL and you do the malware scanning and stuff. Now, if you want to install WordPress, you'll have to go down to the one-click installs, and within the StackCP, we have like 84 one-click installs, and WordPress is among them. So to be able to get to WordPress, just scroll down to the end, and this is where WordPress is. Now, one thing you need to note is that within this package, WordPress is already installed on the main folder or the main directory under the wpridge.com. So wpridge.com is an already existing website. So to be able to install WordPress on this within this package, then I'll have to do that on a different directory. So let's say I need a website, maybe like let's say wpridge.com / academy. That is, I want to create an LMS or an academy for the WP Ridge. So I would do that under the directory, let's say Academy or LAN. So to install WordPress, just click on the WordPress icon and you'll be taken to a different page that looks like this. So in this case, you'll notice that I had already said that the wpridge.com is already existing. So I will go with a directory called LAN. So in that case, I'll be having wpridge.com / LAN. Now, I want you to also take note that whenever you'll be installing WordPress from within the StackCP control panel, you will be installing the latest version of WordPress. That is how it works. And then after choosing the directory or writing the directory, you click on install WordPress. If you want to install WordPress on the main directory, just leave this space blank. I hope that is noted. Now, when it comes to installing WordPress, it will take some time to put the files together and give you the WordPress website. So you'll stay a little patient as everything will be working on their own. And once it's done, you will get a different window like this. So you can see WordPress has been successfully installed. So I want to go with you will be having two options here. One is to continue with the main WordPress website or a staging WordPress website. The staging WordPress website gives you the environment to do your development, and once you're done, you can redirect this to the main one. But I don't want to do that. I will go with the main one once and for all. So it will open on another tab, or yes, and the installation process will begin, where the first step is to choose the language. In this case, I'm going with English, United States. Click on continue, and then I will name my website. So like in this case, I will go with WP Ridge. Sorry about that. WP Ridge Academy. Then username, I will go with, let's say, WP Ridge. That. And then for the password, I will go with the already suggested one. I'll copy it and paste on some kind of, I have a notepad that I copy and paste passwords, and then I will go with the info at WP reach. This is an already existing email address. And then I'll discourage search engines from indexing the site for now. And then I will install WordPress. Once this is done, you will be taken to this window where you will be asked to log in. So I will click on login and then input the username and the password just as from the previous step. Click on login and then you will be taken to the WordPress admin dashboard that looks like this. So from here, you will be able to do some other stuff. That's it. That's how you install WordPress from within the StackCP control panel.